Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. And for this week's video, I'm just gonna get straight to it, okay? We're gonna be talking about how I get my hair into a nice slick back bun. It's a little bit of an arm wrestle, but I wanna show you how I do that and how I get it really super slick. But first, I wanna say thank you to my online friends for watching my videos, liking, sharing, commenting, and just giving me lots of encouragement to keep this channel going, okay? But you guys have been amazing. Thank you so much for coming back again. And if you are new and you just found me, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. You gotta watch the whole video there, okay? All right. So if you want to watch how I get this bushy ting into a very slick back, beautiful, stylish bun, you got to stick around, okay? Call your friends and sit in the front seats. We are going to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna make a note. All the products I'm gonna be using, I'm gonna list them down in the description bar below. I'll give you a heads up. They're gonna be Amaré-Me products because these are the products that are 100% natural. It's my own brand. My hair absolutely loves these products. You guys seem to love them as well. Those of you who have purchased and are regular returning customers. We have a 6-day-old wash and go. Okay, so let me just start. I can hear you. Get on with it, Mel. Hey? So I normally like to do a Marty middle parting. I'm gonna create my line. Oh, the tangles. Goodness me. Okay, so this is as good as I can get. Now, because I don't want to tangle my hair too much, the moment water hits my hair, I notice that my hair will start to curl up. So I'm also very cautious about making sure that I don't create too many tangles. So I limit the amount of water that I put on my hair. Because my hair needs to be detangled, I like to detangle the area at the top. So all this layer needs to be detangled. Otherwise, all I'll be doing is brushing all of those tangles up to this part here, and I don't want that. So I'm just trying to get rid of as many tangles as possible and just lightly finger detangle to the point where I feel like my fingers can run through like this. You see what I mean? You got it? Right, I'm just gonna do this now. And it's not relaxing, it's actually painful. Okay, right, that's the first part. Now I'm ready to put a bit of water on, but I'm not gonna spray straight on my hair. I'm just gonna spray it straight into my hands. And then I'll just lightly go over this top part. Very lightly. And again, towards the back area. As you can see, my hair's already starting to revert, just to prove that it does go really curly very quickly. And if I don't do it this way and I spray directly, then my hair starts to curl up too much and defeats the object about detangling it in the first place. We're gonna move quickly on to step 2. So I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner. I'll leave it up here what this is. This is the Amaré-Me leave-in conditioner. It's a creamy formulation. It has aloe vera in and it has flax seeds in and a lot of other lovely ingredients to keep your hair really well moisturized. So I'm just going to, there we are, just going to do that. Again, this is likely to revert my hair. I'm just going to cover my ends with the excess amount of leave-in conditioner, like so, like that. And then we go on to the creme de la creme, okay? Because this is my one, I own the company, okay? So this is what it looks like. It is the curl defining jelly and it is so luxurious for a gel. This jelly is very hydrating, super moisturizing. It leaves your hair with a lovely shine. It also defines your curls and gives that extra strong hold. So we're gonna be using this and you only need a little bit, only a little. All right, so I take this gooey jelly, look at that. You can just tell that it's a strong hold. Look, it is just mid-air. Ooh, love it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over it like that. Right, if I have flakes, that's because I've got build up. Just before I put the brush to this, I mean, just look at the definition that that's giving. Look at that, eh? Look at the curls. They're popping, girl. They're popping. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with these two. And this is the Demon brush, and this is a beard brush. All I do is, can you just see? Can you see this? So all I do is I just go over, just brush. This is where the muscles needs to come in. I just brush and smooth, brush and smooth, brush and smooth. So I'm gonna go back over this part here with that other brush. I just wanna get the rest of the hair slick down. I really hate the sound of a Demon brush. It sounds like you're really ripping your hair, doesn't it? Right. Ooh, my arms. Hey, chalet. All right, let's keep going. This is, make sure all the hair is pulled through because, my goodness. Oh God, my arms, the arms are aching. So let's be serious about this because this is serious business, okay? So I'm gonna be using this satin scrunchie to hold my hair in. I just want you to see how well this gel packs a punch with shine. I mean, look at this shine. It's good, huh? Right. Have you got thinning edges like me or weak edges like me or no edges at all? Honey, I got you, okay? Okay, so now for the back, what I'd like to do is just go over this part here. Okay, so while that's drying, I've done my sideburns. Just did a little twirly whirly, which is quite cute. You know, I'm 50 years old. I'm not gonna go too hard on the edges, you know, all the meeting the eyebrows curl. I'm not doing that, okay? Right, so this isn't really a protective style because my ends are out and exposed. We wanna tuck those ends in, girl. And there we have it. Nice and neat. Let me just do my Instagram moment, okay? I guess that's it, guys. That's how I do my buns, my low buns, protective styling buns without manipulating my edges, making sure that I detangle my hair without leaving out my ends, keeping my hair looking like it's healthy, and using the right products that are going to nourish my hair. But thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Mwah! I love you guys. I love you. Trust me, I do, you know. Let me know in the comments if you like my slick back bun look, okay? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Really helps my channel. Anyway, guys, until the next time, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. You take care, and remember, God loves you. Mwah!